Find the value of x. So we have x power 3 is equal to 36 can be written as 6 power 2. Now we multiply by power of 3 in both sides. So multiply by power of 3, multiply by power of 3. Now here you can apply this rule, this exponential rule, that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n then bracket power of m. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So it will be x power 3 then bracket power of x cube is equal to 6 power of 2 times 3, that means it will be 6. According to this rule, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of m times n, that means it will be m. So this formula applied here. Now we see x cube, both term is same. This base and this power is same. So let x power 3 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 6 power 6. Now here we can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So it will be y is equal to 6, but x cube is substituted by y, so y, that means x cube is equal to 6. Now we need the value of x, so we apply cube root in both sides. So cube root of x cube is equal to cube root of 6. So this cube root, this power 3 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to cube root of 6. So cube root of 6, this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 23 plus 4 to the power 23 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 23. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 23 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 23 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 23, that means 46 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 46 plus 1, that means 47. So 2 to the power 47 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.